I'm Rahul Mishra, co-founder of Probus Smart Things. Probus helps energy utilities to save money in the last mile power distribution segment. How do we do that? We automate the assets such as distribution transformers, RMUs, electric poles to help the engineers sitting in the electricity utilities to save money and identify the losses that were happening in the field. They don't have to visit the field, or they don't have to rely on the field personnel to know and call them, coordinate with them that which assets have performing badly, where all the breakdowns are happening. They can see the complete electric network in just a simple mobile phone sitting at their home or their offices. Let me give an example. In 2017, when we first started our journey, DSS Rajdhani, which is a major utility provider in Delhi, came to us with a problem that they were losing about $14.5 million of money. And that was happening because they were having unwanted asset breakdown, there were energy losses at multiple fronts, and they were not able to keep track down of their manpower performance. They could not solve this problem on their own because their main job is to provide a reliable power supply to the end consumers. They cannot just focus on innovation of the technology. Thus, when they came to us, we found this problem to be a very unique and a scalable problem. A significant scope to add the value in it, and thus our team, with a constant effort of more than 12 months and regular feedback from the clients, helped to develop an integrated IoT software and hardware platform, which is a first in India, developing wireless sensors and collecting data from the legacy softwares to process it into such a usable information that they were now able to identify which assets are performing badly, where all the energy losses are happening, and how to optimize their field personnel. With this, we finally got the order to automate first 300 assets that help them to digitize and automate and reduce the number of the breakdowns. And to find out the benefit of this pilot, we saw that they were saving about $70 per asset per month. If you just scale this number to all the distribution transformers, RMUs, and other assets that are present in the utility, it would actually save them about $7.5 million of money, equivalent to the 50% of the money they were losing earlier. Thus, with this success, we scaled from 300 to 3,000. And now in this COVID-19 pandemic, it is helping them a lot because they are working with 50% less workforce efficiency. They are just now using more and more our platform and saving more money and by reducing the losses. All this was possible because we have a solid team that is coming from a variety of consulting, sales, finance sectors, from the likes of 3M India Limited, Sterlite Technologies, Deloitte, and KPMG. We are a 20 people strong team with 60 years of experience in the sector, and we are looking to hire more and more people into the technology and sales team. As far as market is concerned, it is globally more than $40 billion of market, with India alone $2.5 billion of market. And we are already covered 10% of the customers, thus we are hopeful to cover 50% of India's market as well, giving us about $1.25 billion of serviceable, obtainable market. We are currently operating at $150,000 of revenue with a 30% gross margin and looking forward to have a year-on-year growth of 70% revenue. With this, we'll be able to break even by financial year 22-23 with $3.2 million of revenue. And we are not stopping here in India alone. We are also scaling to other geographies with the help of Cisco. We are integrating our solution, distribution transformer monitoring solution, with the Cisco LoRaWAN gateway that is already present in all these utilities at the distribution substations. And it will be a simple plug-and-play module with a wireless, secured connection and a cost-effective solution for all these utilities. With this, we'll be able to prove our credentials outside India as well. And currently, many institutions have backed us while in our journey, like Indian Smart Grid Forum, Cisco, Brinc Accelerator, Seed Stars. If the Indian Smart Grid Forum, who access more than 10,000 applications per year, have awarded us not once, but twice for the Smart Startup of the Year and Smart Technology of the Year. Thus, I'm reaching out here to all the business leads working in the energy sector space, to all the industries or to the different institutions or even to the discoms like Westcom, UPPCL, where they are providing the value to the customer related to the energy solutions. If they can see a value addition by integrating our software, providing asset management, energy management, and outage management solution, it will be a much value addition to their end customers. And with this, I would be open to the queries or feedback if you have any. I can be reached out to rahul@probus.io or to the website that is mentioned in the slide. Thank you.